video, I'm going to show you about fonts and how to choose your font for your project. At first, we have different types of font, which is the serif, sans serifs, and display. As you can see the difference between the serifs here and sans serifs. For the display fonts, it can be combination between those two fonts. For your project, you can choose a maximum of 2 fonts. As you can see, each font has a different shapes of it, as condensed bold or ultra light or light. For your project, you can choose only one font and use the family of it, as you can see here in those 2 examples. Mix 2 fonts together, but be careful with mixing 2 fonts. Mix serifs and sans serifs together, as you can see here in this example. You can use display fonts for your titles and serif or sans serif for your body text. Don't mix similar fonts together, like this font and this font here. And also create a contrast between the font that you choose. Booklet, make sure that you have a good enough of line spacing, which we call also as leading. You will find it here in the character format, and you can click on auto so the space between the lines are readable. Add more space between the lines, it will not be good for reading, and also if you create less space, it will be all crowded on top of each other. Text wrap with the image. As an example, I'd like to make my text go along with this cloud shape. At first it will look like that, and then I will go to window and then to text wrap. After that, I'll click on my text, and then I will use this option, and then also clicking on my image and having the same option. You can click on the boxes that you would like to implement the same motion image, and I would like to place it here, and the image covers the text, so I will add the image at the place I'd like to put it, and then in the same area with text wrap, I will click on this option, and also with my text, this one, and then it will implement with the same text written. Make sure your text boxes are all the way at the bottom, so the more text that you have will go down. We will first go to Adobe Fonts, and then we will go to here, all fonts, and in this area I can choose the type of font that I am looking for. For example, this font here. If I'd like to have this font, I'll click on Add Family, and then it will be in your Creative Cloud. I'll copy this font name, and then I'll go to my page. For example, I'll change this font here. I'll highlight it and then paste the font name, and then it will be available.